Well, hello there and welcome back or welcome to the channel. In today's video, boo, I'm going to show you how to get these small average apartment entryways all the way together, okay? So make sure you stay all the way to the end because this is a makeover and a tour. All right, so I just want to give you a little bit of a flashback to what we were looking like before. This was the previous makeover that I did, but this was more so focused on storage and simple decor ideas or decorating ideas. So now that your girl done had a little bit of time and a little bit of an increase in the budget, I wanted to get a little fancier and see just how cute we could make, little average apartments look. So, to get any room together, you got to start with lighting. If you have a boob light, get rid of it. It's not that hard to change it, trust me. If you need any assistance, make sure you check the description box below so that you can sign up for my membership where I teach you how to do all of this stuff, okay? And if you want to do it with me on camera, I'm there for you also. All right, next I had to get this door together. So I use this paint and I am in love with it, okay? I think that painting anything black just automatically makes the space look more luxurious and just more interesting. Now, my old shoe cabinet that I had was nice. It was cute, it was practical, but I needed to take it up another level. So what did we do? We went to Amazon, got some contact paper, and made it into something very luxurious, might I say. If you didn't get a chance to watch the full tutorial, then make sure that you do. I will have this video linked in the description box down below. All right, this next hack is so cool to me. I am in love with taking things that's old and making them into something new that is totally unrelated to what the product was used for in the first place. And that's exactly what I did with this old necklace because I just knew that it would give me a little bit of bling and it would also be functional. What small apartment would not be complete without a horrible utility box all up in your mix, okay? So I decided to get creative, use my nailer, and come up with a solution to cover up this utility box and also add some storage. And I just love the way that it turned out. Okay, clearly your girl can't dance that much no more. I used to be able to dance back in the day. I don't know what happened. But anyway, I added a fresh coat of paint to the space and it really, really made a big difference. That is pretty. That is sexy right there. Not quite finished, but I'm liking the way that this is starting to turn out. Look at all that texture. Oh, Jack is gonna have a field day tearing this rug up. So if you are new to this channel, then you might not know that this mirror was actually in my living room, and I decided to relocate it because the mirror that I had over here, I had to move. I just wanted to do something different. I was holding myself back before because I couldn't figure out what to put there to cover up the utility box, and I of course figured it out. So I ended up moving the mirror here. I really like this circle mirror. When you first walk in, it just feels very complete and very stylish. And so I did a full tour and haul on everything in this area already, so make sure you check that video out. So moving on to this area, I went ahead and created a nice little border. This is a border sticker, the same thing that I'm using on this side of the wall. Okay. So I just covered up a piece of wood and attached that to the wall first, and then I added this contact paper, peel and stick contact paper from Target. I think it looks really nice, and I wrapped it all the way around here. So you know, these are the old school closet doors that I'm pretty sure everybody has in their very basic apartment, and just by painting it black, it looks a lot better. And I created some hardware out of an old necklace that I had. Now, I do remember seeing a question on one of my videos about the border sticker and asking, can you use it on baseboards? And yes, you can. So I started the border sticker here, went up, and I kind of created like a little bit of a division in this area, and I really like it. This doesn't stay down, but if I was to put more of the nano tape, I'm pretty sure it would. I just didn't want to really stick it down because it's serving its purpose. As long as it holds my items up, we're good. You know, my light jackets and purses and masks, we're all good. Now, this is very radical for a renter, but I ain't never scared, right? So I painted the door black, and I freaking love it. The only thing that I don't like is that the hardware that was on the door, you can kind of still see the imprints from the screws, but I'm going to clean those screws and make them nice and gold again at some point in time, and I'll put it back up, or I don't know, I may just leave it down, and then when I get ready to move, I'm gonna paint the door back white, and we'll go from there. But I think this made the door look so expensive. I'm sorry. It's like, what? Who lives here? So one of the things that I wanted to mention is having a black door is very trendy right now, but it's also very practical, because if you have a dog, like my dog, you may find that your door is always getting filthy. So this really helps with that. And then moving over here on up to the ceiling, the biggest statement in this little small common entryway is my light. Can you see how gorgeous this light is? I got this from Lamps Plus a while ago. I did a collaboration with them when I made over my best friend's closet room, or wardrobe closet, and they actually sent me two. So I finally decided to put this one up. Now this is not available on their website, but I will link some that they do have, as well as some Amazon options. But yeah, this was the biggest game changer. And then coming down here, this right here gives me Adidas vibes. I don't know why. Maybe it's because a lot of their workout gear was actually, you know, these kind of colors, and I actually have some pants from them and I can show them to you. And then the black and white stripes, it's just, I don't know, it's giving me like Adidas vibe. Let me know. And then finally, just to kind of add a little more of an Art Deco splash, I added my favorite starburst to kind of accent the starburst, you know, in the middle of the entryway. So this is how it looks. This is the rug after 1 month. And when I do vacuum it, it will get cleaner. I'll probably run a vacuum cleaner over it in a few minutes just so you can see. But again, it's natural fibers. I don't know if you can see it up close. It's natural fibers, so I am loving it, okay? Loving, loving, loving it. And I want to mention that I went ahead and painted a fresh coat of white paint in this area, and I think it made the space look a whole lot better. This area down here was freaking filthy. There was like some old painter's caulk that was just terrible. It was yellow, it was dirty, and I don't like to look at stuff like that, so I went ahead and painted and re-caulked that area just so I could feel like the space was put together, and I think I accomplished that. So yeah, I like it. Down here, I went ahead and I was being cheap. I didn't get another board. I had some boards that I got from Home Depot for free, so you can kind of see the lines on where the boards are. You can see it here. But I took some contact paper, and I love hexagons. I love geometric shapes, and so I kind of played with the tile aspect of it and ran it into the wood, kind of like they do on the flooring. And I think that looks pretty cool. Adds a little bit of detail because it was super dark over here, and I was like, okay, I want it to be a little more playful, and so that's why I did that. All of these things are going to be linked in the description box below, but I'll go ahead and shout them out. This is from Amazon, this is from Target, this is from the Dollar Tree, the wood is from Home Depot, this is from Target, and this is from Target as well. Again, the border stickers from Amazon. This was from Home Goods a while ago. I got the paint. This is Limousine. Yeah, the paint is from Bear. This is from Wayfair. This actually was like less than $100. I got it on Black Friday. And this contact paper is from Amazon. The shoe cabinet is from IKEA. The mirror is from World Market. This is from the Goodwill, Amazon, Sephora. This is from Bath and Body Works. This is from Amazon. This was given to me, and this is from YSL. All right, this is it. This is how the new entryway looks. I told y'all I was gonna redo it because the last time I showed y'all I ran out of gas and I was just over it. But I had fun with this. I hope you found some inspiration, and I hope you realize that your little entryway can be anything that you desire it to be. All you gotta do is have a little imagination, and don't be afraid to try new things. All right, as always, don't forget, be you, be beautiful, be chic on a budget, and I'll see you on my next upload. Bye, guys.